Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a name that carries serious weight in American car culture. It's been years since we've seen it on the road, but now it's finally back, and not just as a nostalgia. Peace, the 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am has returned, and it's bringing classic muscle car DNA into the modern era with style, aggression, and performance that demands attention. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the new Firebird Trans Am makes a statement. It's low, wide, and loud in all the right ways. The front end pays tribute to the iconic designs of the late 70s and early 80s with its twin-slit LED headlights tucked beneath aggressive brow lines. A sharply contoured nose cone wraps around a blacked-out grille with subtle honeycomb patterns, and yes, the Screaming Chicken makes its return, bold and beautiful across the hood, especially in special edition trims. The sculpted hood scoop isn't just for show either, it's fully functional, feeding cool air into the heart of this resurrected beast. The side profile is a perfect mix of heritage and modern muscle. The silhouette leans into long hood, short deck proportions, with deep sculpting along the doors and bold fender flares that give it a planted, wide-body stance. Optional T-tops are back, too modernized with electrochromic glass that tints on command. Ride height is low, wheels are massive, 20 or 21 inches, with forged options and available in black chrome, graphite, or the classic snowflake design. Reimagined for this generation. Around back, the tail end is unmistakably Firebird. The taillights stretch across the rear fascia in a single horizontal bar, glowing red with a dynamic LED sequence when braking or signaling. A large rear diffuser is integrated beneath the bumper, housing quad-exit exhaust tips that spit fire. In track mode, a wide ducktail spoiler finishes the look, and you better believe it's functional at speed, adding real downforce when you're pushing this thing on the edge. Open the door, and the interior hits the perfect balance between retro inspiration and modern tech. There's a driver-focused cockpit with a twin-cowl dashboard and round analog-style vents, but it's all digital beneath the surface. A 12.3-inch digital cluster sits behind a flat-bottom steering wheel and a massive center touchscreen with GM's latest UI takes up the middle. The software is crisp, intuitive, and customizable with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a performance data recorder standard on performance trims. The seats are bolstered sport buckets available in leather, Alcantara, or a heritage houndstooth pattern with modern materials. The Trans Am logo is embroidered in the headrest, and ambient lighting wraps around the cabin with color options based on drive mode. Old-school toggle switches for traction control, suspension settings, and exhaust modes live just below the HVAC controls, and there's a proper short throw shifter if you opt for the manual. Yes, you heard that right. There's a manual. Under the hood, the 2026 Firebird Trans Am offers a range of fire-breathing options. The base model gets a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8, pushing out 480 horsepower. Step up to the Trans Am 455 trim and you get a high-output, supercharged version delivering 670 horsepower. But the top dog is the limited-run Trans Am Super Duty fitted with a hand-built 7.5-liter V8 producing 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful American cars ever made with a factory warranty. Performance is just as wild as the numbers suggest. The Super Duty hits 60 in under 3 seconds with the optional 10-speed automatic, while the 6-speed manual gets you there a hair slower, but with a hell of a lot more grin. Adaptive suspension, active exhaust, launch control, line lock, and magnetic ride are all part of the package depending on trim. Whether you're carving corners or lighting up a drag strip, this Firebird delivers raw energy with modern composure, and it's not just a loud, fast toy. The engineers didn't ignore refinement. The ride is surprisingly smooth in comfort mode, cabin insulation is solid, and the tech suite includes adaptive cruise, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and even a semi-autonomous drive mode. For highway cruising, the Firebird has grown up but without losing its wild side. Pricing starts in the low $50,000 range for base trims, with the Trans Am 455 landing in the $70,000 zone. The Super Duty, that one's exclusive, hand-built, and will likely push well past the $100,000 mark. Depending on options and collector status, only a few hundred will be made, and they're already generating buzz across the performance world. The 2026 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am isn't just a revival, it's a resurrection done right. It honors its past without being trapped by it, delivering muscle car vibes with modern engineering. For the fans who waited, this is more than just a return. It's a reward. Thanks for sticking around. If you're as hyped as I am to see Pontiac's name roaring back into the performance world? Drop a comment below. Smash the like button if you love V8 power and let me know which trim you'd pick. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives like this, and until next time, keep the tires smoking and the legends alive.